Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing key joints, warm the wrists and open the shoulders so your weight transfers safely through the hands. Press the fingertips and spread the palms. This distributes pressure and prevents collapsing. Once done, stack shoulders over wrists and engage core like a shallow scoop. That alignment locks you in. Take one confident, controlled kick toward the wall, not a fling. Keep the movement deliberate so you learn balance and pressure, rather than relying on momentum. You now refine the middle. Align wrists under shoulders and imagine a straight line through hips. Keep the head neutral to steady the axis. Engage the hollow position, tail tucked, ribs drawing in, so you avoid lumbar arching that wastes strength. Practice small, measured kicks. One foot plants, the other lifts and drives. If you overshoot, shorten the push. Make micro adjustments with toes and fingers to find the tipping point. Breathe steadily. Exhale on each lift. To maintain, you finish by committing to short, stable holds. Start with 5 to 10 seconds and practice safe exits. Bend one knee and lead the descent so shoulders never take a sudden load. Once established, extend hold times gradually and integrate 3 sets per session for strength. If you feel tipping or collapsing at the hips, immediately press more through the fingertips and consciously scoop the belly toward the spine. That single correction often restores vertical alignment and prevents falls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.